One of the things that I learned at Katerra is we were doing all the hard work, and like in Flextronics, we were doing all the hard work, and we didn't make all the money. We made small amounts incrementally. But the problem you have in this industry is all you people in the room, many of you people in the room and people who are watching, are looking at new tools to make their businesses more efficient. But if you don't get to keep any of the money, why would you keep doing it? And here's what I mean. Let me use a simple example. If architects automate the design, which is all kind of things being done for architects to automate design, and they can now create a product design at half the price, why would they invest all that? Why would you invest all that money if you don't get to keep any of that? If all you get to do is sell your service now for half as much. And the industry is rife with this. A lot of new tools, people wanting to use new tools, wanting to become more efficient, all that kind of stuff. But if you don't get to save any of that, if you don't get to pocket any of that, why would you do it?